Greetings in the name of Yahusha Mashiach and our Lord Yahuwah. My name is MELEK Shelomoh. This is MELEK Shelomoh Trading. Today is the 12th of November 2024, and I'm going to do a trade recap for Bookmap Academy using the Bookmap replay mode. And this is just a context view of what I was looking at. So I'm looking at the uptrust after distribution at 60.5325, and from a Wyckoff theory perspective, we're in phase C, and we're supposed to get a move down back to the buying climax, which lines up with the weekly Camarilla S3 at 59.3828, right? So this is a 1 hour chart. So we're going to move now to the algo chart, and then I'll switch over to the light chart, the trading map light chart, right? All right, so first the algo chart, and this is the open here, right? So we had a pop-up, we had a pullback, we had a breakdown. Price started to move between first lower deviation and second lower deviation at Camarilla S3, which is my bowling green strategy. We started to get volume coming in there, and it's looking like I could take a reversal right here, right? So I just entered here, right? All right, so press play. All right, so I got stopped out there, right? So that's the first stop out. So tried the bowling green strategy, the bounce off of -2. Tried another long entry here above Camarilla S3 in anticipation of the break above -1 VWAP, lower deviation. Stop is here at 16.1975. And let me just point out here again. You see there's heavy liquidity here. So this is good for my setup where I'm looking for accumulation, right? So after we got that stop in volume, price did an accumulation right there. And now I'm going to switch over to Trader Map Light. So now you could see the liquidity is actually supporting price. We have rise in volume. So everything was lining up for the reversal, right? But in the bigger context, which is this context right here, there is a Wyckoff theory that after the uptrust, after distribution, this resistance, that high right there, we're supposed to get a move back down to the buying climax in a distribution phase, right? So if I had stuck to that theory, I could have taken a 360 fire strategy here, and let me just play that out real quick. So this is basically somewhat of a retest of -1, or a retest right here of -2. And that's basically the retest of this breakdown level, Camarilla S3 just below that. And I could take a short here on the breakdown of this level, a retest, and a short trade here. Either take a short here or take another short somewhere around here. That's the 360 fire strategy where I'm looking for a breakdown of a pivot level. No follow through on the buy side. So we're starting to get, let me just pull this back. Right, so we're starting to get lower highs, and we're getting these retests, right? And eventually you get the breakdown. So basically you could take a retest here of Camarilla S3. It happened twice. But if I was in that frame of mind, I could have taken that 360 fire strategy, which is that retest of Camarilla S3. And now even -1 is lining up here. If it does come back to retest, we have liquidity on the offer pressing down on price. If it comes back, touches that liquidity, then we could take the short around here again. right? So that's the 365 that I didn't do. I did the bowling green, and the short squeeze just didn't happen. The sellers stayed in play and cascaded down from here. So if I had stayed in the mindset of the bigger time frame, which is this, I would have a successful trade. So lesson learned right there. All right, y'all. So it's Melek Mikhail Shalomo. Y'all trade safe and stay blessed.